Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain you how to install Disney Plus on Samsung Smart TV. Now as you can see, the Disney Plus app is compatible with most Samsung Smart TVs released since 2016. This app is available by default on your Smart TV, so all you have to do is simply go to your menu and here next to other providers you're gonna see Disney Plus. Of course, you're gonna need to have an active subscription that you're gonna have to pay extra for it, and you're gonna have to simply log in into your account. Now if you can see this, you can try to update your Smart TV system. So simply go to the home page, then go to settings, and then you're gonna have to go to support and then select software update and then select update now to make an update to see if it's available or not. Now if you can see it in the menu here, that means that it's not compatible with your Samsung Smart TV. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.